Always think safety first. Do not operate or work on your machine without reading and understanding the operator's manual. To replace the Gearcase seal, here's a list of tools and supplies you will need. Thoroughly clean the area before any work is done to keep contaminants out of the hydraulic system. Start by draining the gear oil from the gear case. Once the oil has been drained, reinstall the drain plug. Now remove the torque arm mounting hardware along with the gear case center plug and socket head screw that connects the gear case to the drive shaft. Disconnect the pressure and return hoses. Once this is done, the gear case can be pulled off of the drive shaft. If the gear case is seized to the drive shaft, a pry bar can be used to gently pry the gear case off of the drive shaft. With the gear case free, remove the seal on the back side and install a new seal as shown. Inspect the drive shaft, clean as necessary, and install a speedy sleeve if required. Apply high-temp grease to the recently cleaned area of the conveyor shaft. Install a new V-seal and lube drive shaft. With the seal lip toward the gear case, install the seal number 311172 onto the conveyor shaft, pushing the seal against the conveyor shaft bearing. Apply additional high-temp grease to the seal lip. Inspect gear case to ensure keys are in good condition. Replace if needed. Lube the new gear case seal and carefully position the gear case onto the drive shaft. Reinstall the center socket head screw and center plug as shown. Use a plastic putty knife and carefully push V-Seal lightly up against the Gearcase seal. Once this is done, the breather can be removed and the gear oil can be added. Refer to the operator's manual for gear oil information. Reinstall the Gearcase breather. Reconnect the pressure and return hose. Once this is done, new torque arm mounting hardware can be installed. Run conveyor and check for leaks. For more information, reference the operator parts manual at highwayequipment.com.